Um, that was my lunch. I see some training has to go on here. Beggars. See, Izzy waits. Well, or not. Oh, God. Oh, no. The vultures. Hey! Jojo! Alright. This is why we need baby water. Oh, you thief! You stole! Oh, you stole! Oh, you too? Well, thank you, Cal. Oh. Alright. This is about... you wonder why I eat my food diluted. Hey! Hey! Thank you. Mine? Mine? Alright. Yeah! Okay, can I eat my lunch now? Oh? Not? There's no way to make a living, boy. Oh! Oh! Mine! And I don't think I want to eat that anymore. Sorry, Pickle, but that's how it is. Oh, really? Sorry, Izzy. What's you doing? Did you get squirted? Oh, poor Joji. Yeah, well, wait a minute. Oh gosh, I turned my back. Ooh. Okay. Alright. So, more training? That's why we, let's see, that's not Windex. Hey, oh, oh! I'm not eating that now. Hey. No. Dang it.